Automating your listings is super easy with ArtListingPro, and there are two simple options to get started. First, let's walk through a manual setup. Just drag and drop your artwork into the File Upload field. That's it! Now that your art is uploaded, you can set up different automations. Let's say you want to generate mockups. Simply drag and drop your free mockups from ArtListingPro onto the field. This is the input for the automation. If you want to see both the inputs and the results, make sure to uncheck the Show Only Input Fields box. Now, just click Generate and your mockups are created. You could also run everything at once by pressing the Run All button. Super easy, right? But what if you need to create multiple listings? Let's switch to option 2, which is using a configuration table. The app will prompt you to connect your cloud storage, and this is great because it pulls all your images and mockups directly from the cloud. No manual uploads needed. Let's connect to our Google Drive account. Want to keep things organized? You can create a new account specifically for your digital art shop. Don't worry about security. The app only has access to the files you select, nothing else in your drive. Once connected, ArtListingPro provides free mockups that you can upload directly to your Google Drive. Just hit the Upload Mockups button to send them straight to your Google Drive. This takes about a minute or two, and your mockups are automatically registered. You'll see a new folder named ArtListingPro in your drive, but you can use any other folder as well. Now, you have your vertical mockups and horizontal mockups all ready to go. Since our mockups are already registered, we don't have to select them again. But if you're adding new files, remember to select the individual files, not the folder. Now that mockups are set, let's upload your art. Simply select the destination folder for your art, then drag one or more files into the Upload field and click Upload. For each listing, you'll see if all files were correctly detected. If everything's good, you can click on a table cell to view all available files and select the ones you want for your listings. The same goes for mockups. There's even a search function to make it easier. If there are any errors, an alert will appear directly in the table. For now, we don't need the second row, so let's go ahead and remove it. Now, let's load in our data. And just like that, you're all set. Now, if you want to upload to Etsy, you'll need to set up your Make.com automation. Don't worry, it's quick and easy. Just close this window and click on the pop-up message, which will guide you through the setup process. It doesn't take long, and trust me, it'll save you tons of time in the future. Set it up once and let ArtListingPro do the rest.